mo bang i-hide yung following? Yung 3.2, yan, kailangan i-hide natin yan. So punta lang tayo dito para mawala yung 3.2. So yan, alright, settings, dito sa may settings ulit, followers and public content, who can see your followers on your timeline, who can see your people page in this follow. Who can see your people page in this follow. So i-press natin to. Yan. See more. So yan, lahat ng finalo mo makikita ng friends. So dito ilagay natin to only me. Yan. Para hindi na nila makikita. Okay? Back tayo. And then ito. View us. So ayan na. Wala na, hindi na nakila nakita. So ganun lang ha, para ma-hide yung nag-follow sa'yo. Don't forget to share.